find the documentation on how to animate the character. The first solution is to use Blender and SMPL pose. So this is the overview. We have 3 main steps. The first one is to generate the pose. The second is to drive our model with those generated pose, and lastly we'll render it. And for this we need the Blender software, and preferably our human model should be rigged before. If it's not rigged, then we can manually rig it, but it takes some time. So we'll go to the first step, generate the SMPL pose. There's 2 methods. The first one, we can use the hugging face that is provided by the author. But we also have the alternative way, which is to use the to clone the repo and run it, run inference on our audio. And now I'm gonna use this method. So here's my clone repo, and I have my inferencing audio. Yeah. So girls discuss some politics, and I'll run. I have installed the environment according to the repo, and now I'll run inference, and it takes some time to get the result here. Okay, so it's quite fast, and I'll go and download it. I have a demo folder here, desktop. Okay, so just put it here. All right, and so get back to the tutorial. So we already have our pose here. Next, we want to drive. We import it to Blender, and then we'll try our model. So I'll open Blender, and I will create a new freshly scene. And okay, open the SMPL-X add-ons in Blender, and add animation point to the generated pose that we have just generated. Where is it? Desktop here. Add animation, and wait a bit for it to load. Right, here we have our model, and okay, I'll put this guy to the rest pose. He's originally lying down because the conventions of SMPL-X pose I'm sorry, the convention of SMPL-X pose in EMAGE is different from Blender, but it's okay. We'll hit rest pose here. Okay, rest position, bringing this guy back to rest position, and continue the tutorial. So we have the pose imported to Blender. Next, we'll import our model. Here, import FBX, because we got the FBX file. So okay, this is the model that we have currently have. Okay, so we can check out for the texture here also. So the next step is to retarget the SMPS pose to the model. And because our model is not in T-pose yet, so we need to retarget. We need to repose it to T-pose also. And I have put the reference link here on how to do it. And now just quickly retarget it to T-pose. We need it to T-pose because SMPL-X model here is in T-pose, and we need the two poses to be similar before we retarget. Okay, snap. Okay, we'll move this guy back here, and I'll retarget this one to T-pose. This is for bring the skeleton up so we can see it. Okay. Okay, roughly so. And this one, this top also. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Let's move this guy a little. Okay. Okay. We've got the body here. Again, this is already have been present in the video for retarget the T-pose, so I won't say about it much. We also need to take care about this shoulder up and down, because moving from A pose to T pose will affect mainly the shoulder, so we need to take special care for the shoulder. Check. See, chosen modifier. Okay. Okay. Go back to pose mode. Control A applies pose as response. Okay. So we have our model in T pose now, and the T pose is rest pose now. So go back to the tutorial. Okay, use Rokoko to transfer the motions to retarget it. So we've opened Rokoko add-on here. Retargeting tabs. No tab. This is just click the any bones in the model, and you get it. Also this one, any bones, and then build bone list. So we need to check if the bone list here is correct, which means here's the source bone, and is it mapped very accurately to the target bones? And for that, we need to turn on the names of the skeleton of both models so that we can easily check. Okay, great. Okay, so we just check pelvis and everything from source to destination. Okay, no problem. just see. Okay, right. Yeah, it looked like it. And if there's no problem, then we go ahead and retarget animation, which will transfer the animation of this SMPL, our generated pose, to the model. Okay, so now we have our model animated.